stop a man on a mission, and I'm a man on a mission. Been spitting for a minute, used to tell my mama stop doing the dishes cause the mic was in the kitchen. I'm trying to record here, I'm trying to make hits, she looking at me like I'm tripping. Like, Zach, please do your homework, please do your chores first. Zach, really tell me who you kidding, I'ma get it till I got it, mama.
What is up, guys? Today, we be doing stuff, I don't know what though. I remember those days on a two smoke. Made me sick, they smelled so bad. Okay, I don't know where we're going. Where are we going? Where are we going? To the cliffs again? Hills, whatever the heck you want to call them. Oh, jeez. Woo! That was scary. I'm just kidding, I'm kidding. My bike is so dang loud, you can barely hear anything. My neighbors get mad at me when I'm outside doing some fat wheelies. Then they get mad at me because it's so loud and they're trying to sleep or something. Or my dad yells at me because it's too loud. But then skirt. God dang it. I'm bad at this, I should just quit. My bike is so temperamental. Doesn't like to start in gear. Freaking 50,000 kicks to start it in gear. Gotta put it in neutral every time. Ow. But I can do some sick wheelies, bruh, on this machine. Like that. Bro, I probably sound so like cringy right now. Never done this before. Did it cause I was told to. Cause people wanted me to do this. So I said, why not? Just do it. Oh. Oh jeez. Ow. Okay, keep in mind again, this is the first vlog ever created. Just kidding. So probably pretty bad at it. Don't really know what I'm doing. Oh jeez. I want to do a wheelie over this, but I don't want my camera to get destroyed. So I'm not. Oh jeez. Ow. Hopefully my mic is sensitive, so it's picking up my voice better than I think it is. Because right now I'm kind of woohoo. Ow. Make sure my mic is still plugged in. So many dang whoops all over the place. Ooh, let's hit that. That's what I get gone from a vlog to a Moto Madness fail video. Ow. I'm such a squid. I ride like a squid, bro. Skirt, skirt. More people. So many people in this place. I can't breathe. Smoke. Oh, too strong. Oh. Oh, one day it'd be good as Fooligan and Kevin. They're lit. That's pretty funny. Oh no, not starting. This isn't good. It's not starting now. The old 300 ain't starting. Nothing, you just like slid out. Well, it's not starting now. Huh? The sand just kills your chain. Do you want me to do it? Huh? Here. You literally just slid off. Oh, I missed. I missed the kick. Or, I mean, Kickstarter. Down. What do you have to change on it? The rings or whatever? No compression at all. Takes forever. Just kidding. Takes forever to kick though.